Understanding the German economy, a comprehensive overview. Introduction. The German economy stands as Europe's largest and is globally renowned for its industrial prowess, innovation, and strong export orientation. This article aims to provide a comprehensive overview of how the German economy works, covering key sectors, economic indicators, government policies, international trade, challenges, and future prospects. Macroeconomic indicators. To understand the German economy, it is essential to examine key macroeconomic indicators. Gross domestic product, GDP, serves as a primary measure of economic activity, highlighting Germany's status as a leading economy. The country consistently ranks among the top exporters globally. Other crucial indicators include industrial production, trade balance, employment rates, inflation, and fiscal policies. Manufacturing excellence. Germany has earned a reputation for its robust manufacturing sector, renowned for precision engineering, innovation, and high-quality products. Key industries include automotive manufacturing, machinery, electrical equipment, chemicals, and pharmaceuticals. The Mittelstand, a vibrant network of small and medium-sized enterprises, contributes significantly to Germany's manufacturing strength and employment. Export-oriented economy. Germany is renowned for its strong export orientation, with a wide range of goods and services being traded globally. Major export products include automobiles, machinery, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, and electrical equipment. The country benefits from its strategic geographical location, highly skilled workforce, and a strong emphasis on quality and innovation. It has developed strong trade relations with countries around the world, including the United States, China, and European Union member states. Services and financial sector. In addition to its manufacturing strength, Germany also boasts a robust services sector. It encompasses areas such as finance, insurance, information technology, telecommunications, transportation, and logistics. Frankfurt, as Germany's financial hub, is home to major banks and plays a significant role in global finance, particularly in the European context. Strong vocational training and skilled workforce. The German economy thrives on its highly skilled workforce, supported by a renowned vocational training system. The dual education system combines classroom learning with practical training, ensuring a steady supply of skilled workers for various industries. This system fosters a strong work ethic, technical expertise, and industry-specific knowledge, contributing to Germany's competitiveness. Government policies and social market economy. The German economy operates within a framework of a social market economy. Government policies aim to strike a balance between market-driven dynamics and social welfare considerations. Policies focus on supporting innovation, research and development, education, infrastructure development, and sustainable growth. The government also emphasizes labor market flexibility, maintaining a strong safety net for workers and social security provisions. Mittelstand and small business culture. The Mittelstand, as mentioned earlier, plays a vital role in the German economy. These small and medium-sized enterprises form the backbone of German industry, employing a significant portion of the workforce and driving innovation. The Mittelstand is characterized by family-owned businesses, long-term thinking, adaptability, and close ties to local communities. Future prospects and Industry 4.0. The future of the German economy is closely linked to the concept of Industry 4.0, emphasizing digitalization, automation, and the integration of new technologies. Germany aims to maintain its competitive edge by fostering innovation, research and development, and supporting startups. Transitioning toward a greener and more sustainable economy is also a priority, with investments in renewable energy, electric mobility, and resource efficiency. Challenges and opportunities. The German economy faces various challenges and opportunities. Addressing demographic changes, such as an aging population and labor market shortages, is crucial. Promoting digital transformation, adapting to global geopolitical shifts, and mitigating climate change-related risks are also key challenges. However, Germany possesses opportunities for growth, including the potential of the digital economy, the energy transition, and leveraging its manufacturing expertise for future industries. Conclusion. The German economy's success lies in its manufacturing prowess, export orientation, skilled workforce, and a strong emphasis on innovation. Government policies, vocational training, and the Mittelstand contribute to Germany's economic stability and resilience. By addressing challenges, embracing digital transformation, and investing in sustainable development, Germany can navigate the evolving global landscape and sustain its position as a key economic player both in Europe and on the international stage.